Hi, my name is Arthur Ingram. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and today I'm going to explain auto insurance. Auto insurance is required in most of the United States, and there are minimum liability requirements for each state. In order to find the amounts that are required in the state that you live, you can go to www.naic.org and you can select which state you live in, and you'll be taken to what's known as the Commissioner of Insurance Department for the state that you're in, and you can find out what those minimum limits are. And when we're talking about those minimum limits, we're talking about liability insurance, and that's insurance to protect you from doing damage and being liable for other people's property or personal injury. So it's really protecting your assets from being pursued if you were to get in an accident and do damage to someone else or even injure them. So in addition to that, auto insurance may have other coverages included. Optional coverages would include collision coverage and comprehensive coverage, also known as other than collision. And those are coverages to protect your vehicle. So if you were to collide with something, if you were to run into a tree or another car and it was your fault, those would help kind of cover that expense and that peril that you're going through at that time for your vehicle when it's your fault. So the liability coverage covers you when it's your fault affecting other people, and the comprehensive and collision is going to protect you when it's your fault, or when nobody's at fault, and maybe wind, hail, fire, theft, things such as that. In addition to that, there may be medical payments coverage on the policy to cover some medical costs that you might have or anyone in your vehicle that might get injured. There might be towing and labor costs and extended transportation expenses coverage, which would provide a rental car if your car were to be damaged and not able to be used. So overall, auto insurance is made up of many different coverages, but most importantly, liability insurance is required by most states. And so, again, my name is Arthur Ingram. I'm a licensed insurance agent, and today we talked about auto insurance.